Amazing All-Stars. Today is Thursday, April 14th. Let's find out what is on our Number Corner calendar. Wow, we've been talking about symmetry, and it's really great information to teach us more and more about shapes and things around us. Wow, we have a trapezoid, sideways trapezoid. I'm looking at it. Looks a little weird, but if I actually did split this down the middle, would I have the same thing on the top as I have on the bottom? In this case, yes, I would. It is a symmetrical shape. Now we're going to move into our days in school. We're adding on another day, which now makes it 138 days that we've been together. That's pretty cool. So we'll change our information here to show 138. The number word always. And then we have 100 plus 35 plus 3. And then we have 50 plus 50 plus 38. All different ways to make the number 138. And when we come over here, we have 4 quarters, which is equal to $1. 3 dimes, which is equal to 30 cents. So far we have 130 cents or $1.30. Then we have 1 nickel, and we need to change it to 3 pennies now. 1 nickel and 3 pennies, which equals 8 cents. We are going to our popsicle sticks. We are going to spin and find out. Oh, we're adding 4 more sticks. So 1, I like putting right in there in the middle. 2, 3, 4. Now we have a bundle of 10. 10 plus 5 here, which is 15, and 1 more, 16. So we've collected 16 sticks so far this week. The last activity I have for you today, it's one where you're going to follow along with me. We have our hundreds grid here, which we've talked about, and this is in your math book. It's in your book that has the blocks on the top and the person made of shapes, where you have all of the numbers from 1 to 120. With this activity, I am going to actually pick a number. Pick a number, and I'm going to do that right now. For example, if I pick the number 10, and I said, let's play a game where I'm going to take 1 away from it. Ooh, I take 1 away from that 10. What is the number that comes before 10? You're right, it's 9. So now my magic number is 9. 9. 9. But what if I said, oh, that one wouldn't work. 9 plus 9. Oh, 9 plus 9. So if we have 9 and we add on 9 more, 1, let me do it in a different color, and then I think you'll see it a little bit better. There we go. So if we have 9 and we add on 9 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. We'll try another. If we started on the number 26 and we said add 10 more, we really could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and get to the number 36. Or shortcut would be, I remember that if I add 10 on a hundreds chart, that's just like going down to the next box. So I could say, ooh, 26 plus 10 is the number just below it, 36. I could also say that same example with 53 plus 10 will be the number just below it, 63. 49 plus 10 is the number just below it, 59. 59. We're going to work on this activity together as a class, but if you want to challenge yourself and you create a math fact, you may say 76 plus 10. When you add 10 more, it's just the number just below it. I'd like you to practice that today for the remainder of your number corner time. Enjoy. Off you go.